Hello everybody from above and beyond. This is an average of 12 that I'll be doing weekly for Monkey Dude's contest. It's week 1. This is a Rubik's brand, and yeah. That's really it. I'm gonna do the average and then cut off. So, yeah. Oop, flip the LCD screen. There. Okay. That completely blows what I want to beat. It's 1982. There. And my goal was 24, but whatever. I didn't show that one, but you get the point. Again, 2342. It blows what I wanted to beat, but whatever. Set to 0, and we begin. I'm actually gonna restart that one. I didn't even turn it, and it popped. So set to 0. I hate V-perms. 2662, and that was whatever it's called. I don't know what it's called, but if you reverse it, it's still 2662. Horrible cross. Okay, fail for the cube drop. 2865. Bleh, 2865. $30.18. So yeah. 2257. I have no clue if this is going to come out to be sub 24, which is what I'm aiming for. And if I do end up beating my goal, I will make a new one. Uh, 3408 with pop. I think I flipped a corner, but whatever. Yeah. Oh man. So again, a horrible time. But even more horrible, 3714. So I think I had more bad times than I did good. 2805. Okay, yeah. So I do any. Yeah. That was really good. 1806. Oh, skipping a U-perm. That's like pure luck for me. Oh, darn. $31.18. Every good solve is followed by a bad. So what I want to average, 24.80, or I want to average sub 24. Yeah, I'm gonna figure out the average, put it in a little thing right there. And, here are my times. 1918, or 1982, 2314, 2662, what's that, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All 12 of them, and expect these weekly. And yeah, I'm gonna have to edit out the scrambles and stuff because it's over or yeah, it's over 15 minutes, so yeah.